In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more language fonts to your Wix site. If you want your website to support additional languages and display text more accurately, Wix makes the process pretty simple. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to enable more language font options inside your site editor. And then I will also show you how to upload a custom language font from your computer if you need something more specific. To begin, open your Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, click on any text element on your page and choose Edit Text. This opens the text settings where you can control the appearance of your font. From there, open the Fonts drop-down menu. At the bottom of that menu, look for the Add Languages option or in some versions. You may see a globe icon instead. Click that option to open the language selection panel. Now, check the box next to the language you want to add, and then click Save. Once you do that, Wix will automatically update your font options. Compatible fonts for that selected language will now appear in your font lists, which makes it much easier to style multilingual text correctly. This is especially helpful if the default fonts don't fully support the characters or script you need. If you want even more control, you can also upload a custom language font. To do that, click on a text element on your site and select Edit Text again. Open the Fonts drop-down menu, and this time choose Upload Fonts. In the panel that appears, click Upload Font and then select the font file from your computer. After the upload finishes, the custom font will be saved to your Wix account and added to your font list. From there, you can apply it to your text just like any other font in the editor. When uploading custom fonts, it's a good idea to make sure the font file you choose supports the exact language characters you plan to use. That way, your site text will display properly and consistently across your pages. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.